Welcome to Fast Track Branding and Digital Division, a dedicated division of Fast Track Corporate Solutions Private Limited, delivering comprehensive branding and digital solutions for businesses, including corporate branding, graphic design, website development, digital marketing, social media management, and marketing campaigns. We are your one-stop solutions partner for branding and digital growth. Fast Track empowers businesses with smart, scalable, and future-ready digital solutions. We help organizations build strong digital foundations that support growth, efficiency, and brand credibility. Our approach is business-first, transparent, and focused on long-term value creation, acting as your digital growth partner. Graphic design defines how your business visually communicates with the world. It shapes how people see, remember, and trust your brand. From logos and brand identity to brochures, presentations, and marketing collaterals, we create designs that reflect professionalism and clarity. Strong design builds brand recall, trust, and effective communication. It enhances marketing impact and presents your business as reliable and growth-ready. Our designs are customized, scalable, editable, and created for multi-platform use, ensuring long-term value. A website is your digital office that works 24/7. It represents your business online, builds trust, and helps customers understand your offerings. We develop informative, e-commerce, and portfolio websites which are futuristic, engaging, and helping you get potential customers. A professional website ensures constant accessibility, credibility, and marketing support. It is scalable, cost-effective, mobile-friendly, and easy to manage. Today, customers expect a strong digital presence before doing business. Mobile app development enables faster access, better user experience, and personalized interactions. We build native and hybrid mobile applications for internal process management, customer engagement, real-time notifications, and secure system access. Apps offer faster performance, direct communication, offline access, and high security. They improve efficiency and customer loyalty with scalable features based on business needs. A web application is a browser-based solution that works across all devices without installation. From CRM and ERP systems to inventory and custom business applications, web apps provide a universal cross-platform solution. Web apps are cost-effective, scalable, secure, and easy to update. They centralize data and simplify operations, making them ideal for modern business systems. Choosing the right digital tool saves cost and improves efficiency. Websites focus on information, mobile apps drive engagement, and web apps support operations. Understanding the right use case ensures smarter digital investment. Social media management builds and grows your business presence across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Google My Business. It focuses on organic growth, brand visibility, and long-term trust, not just posting content. Our approach starts with competitor analysis and content planning. We focus on creative design, consistent publishing, monitoring, and long-term organic growth, building a digital identity people trust and remember. Social media builds long-term visibility, strengthens brand image, and acts as a digital portfolio. It improves trust, recall, and indirectly supports sales through consistent brand presence. Digital marketing focuses on paid promotions for instant visibility and lead generation. Through platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, we help businesses reach the right audience quickly and effectively. Digital marketing delivers quick results with targeted reach, budget control, and measurable performance. Campaigns are scalable, optimized continuously, and aligned with business objectives. Running ads without strategy leads to wasted impressions and low-quality reach. Professionally managed advertising maximizes targeting, optimizes performance, and converts the same budget into real business opportunities. Strategy, not budget, makes the difference. SEO improves your website's visibility in search engines through long-term organic growth. It builds trust, authority, and consistent traffic without paying for every click. Our SEO approach includes on-page, off-page, technical SEO, and content optimization. SEO delivers sustainable growth, high trust visibility, lower marketing costs, and better quality leads. It is a long-term process that works best with consistent ethical practices. Each digital service serves a different purpose. SEO builds long-term trust. Digital marketing delivers quick leads, and social media strengthens brand presence. The right combination ensures balanced and sustainable growth. Digital growth happens in stages. It starts with brand identity and a strong website, expands through social media presence, grows with SEO and AI search visibility, and scales through digital marketing and paid promotions. Right service at the right time drives results. When all digital services work together, businesses gain strong brand identity, digital credibility, operational efficiency, continuous growth, and competitive advantage. One partner, one complete digital ecosystem. Ready to unlock your digital growth potential? Connect with Fast Track Branding and Digital Solutions Division to discuss your branding and digital objectives. Our team is ready to help you build, scale, and grow your business digitally.